All right, now I'm going to be talking about ad position. So this is helpful to kind of tell the client if we have budget constraints or what keywords are we showing up absolutely at the top and why we want to show up at the top more. So we just go into our data studio report like all, and we can see here, we're just going to screenshot this stuff. Okay, so that's the ad position. Now you want to do the analysis here. Ooh. Make sure this is the last 30 days. It's kind of a lot of data. I was 214. Not much has changed. All right. So we have this data here, sort by cost as well. All right. Let's just see this percentage, absolute. Mm, Okay. So you can see the click-through rate, the cost, how often are we showing up at the top, absolute top, and whatnot. So we can say our top keywords are these, for example, kind of give the client an idea. And it's helpful for us too, if we have a specific keyword we want to crush, we can just say, let's see. I see the social media marketing for accountants a very interesting keyword, and it looks like we're getting a lot of impression share. We can just say top keywords, top keywords. And that's a good one to look at. Very simple. This becomes more important as the client wants a specific keyword or rank above a competitor, but this is a basic overview of ad position.